Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so fixes work predictably. First, check your iPad model and iOS version. Mismatched guides cause wasted steps. Once done, confirm stable Wi-Fi or cellular and at least 20% battery so updates or restarts won't fail. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID for messages and iCloud, otherwise messages may not sync. Now that prerequisites are set, you'll proceed to toggle and reconfigure messages, features, to reset syncing and delivery behavior. You'll perform the core fixes that resolve most messaging issues. Start by toggling iMessage off, wait 30 seconds, then toggle back on to force reactivation. This refreshes registration with Apple. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID from messages and from the top-level settings, then sign back in. That restores proper account routing. Next, reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi or cellular caches. This removes saved networks, so have passwords ready. After these steps, test sending and receiving to confirm improvement. You complete the process by applying final repairs and verifying results. Update iPadOS to the latest version so known bugs are fixed, then perform a force restart using the buttons for your model to clear residual memory faults. After restart, test messages thoroughly. New texts, group messages, and SMS forwarding if used. If problems remain, back up your iPad to iCloud or Finder and restore. That resolves deep software corruption. Troubleshooting tip. If restore fails, try the same Apple ID on another device to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.